now cutting across to another breaking news coming in, viewers. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah is likely to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah tomorrow in the national capital. During the meeting, the Chief Minister is expected to raise several issues with a particular focus on the early restoration of statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. Omar Abdullah likely to meet Home Minister Amit Shah tomorrow and raise the issue of the statehood of Jammu and Kashmir. He is expected to ask the Union Home Minister for the restoration of the statehood of the Union Territory. And let's go across to Zeenat, who's now joining us live on the bulletin to give us more details. Zeenat, a very good afternoon to you. Other than the issue of the statehood for the Union Territory, what are going to be some of the key talking points between the Chief Minister and the Home Minister tomorrow?
See, apart from raising the issue of the statehood, because last time when Omar Abdullah, after assuming the office, met Home Minister Amit Shah, so there was a very positive response from the Home Minister to the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. And now we are seeing the another meeting that is going to take place in New Delhi tomorrow, where Omar Abdullah, as per the sources within the National Conference, say that apart from raising the statehood issue, which is a major issue at present, and that has also given birth to the two power centers in Jammu and Kashmir, and also has created a friction between the National Conference, the ruling government and the LG office, because the transaction, the business rules of Jammu and Kashmir are yet not clear, which is creating a friction. So Omar Abdullah is going to raise the issues as far as the business rules is concerned to get the clarity. Although earlier the Home Ministry has already said that rules are quite clear and there is nothing, no sort of friction, and it has asked the power centers to work for the welfare of the people. But as per the National Conference leaders, sources within the National Conference have maintained once again that the Umar will be meeting Amit Shah tomorrow in New Delhi, and apart from raising the issue of the statehood on which there had been the elections, and on also that the Omar Abdullah has been asking the people that give NC the power so that it will restore the statehood to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, as the state of Jammu and Kashmir was downgraded to Union Territory in August 2019. And then after that we also witnessed the J&K reorganization bill, which also divided the powers between New Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir. Now see, we are seeing a lot of targets that are being, even the fingers that is being raised to the National Conference from the opposition. PDP Sajat Lone has also hit Omar Abdullah yesterday for playing or creating a dual policy in the Jammu and Kashmir, and he is not able to deliver as per the promises made to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and it is Umar government who is making people suffer. Now we are seeing the another meeting that is going to take place between Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, Jammu and Kashmir CM, with the Home Minister of the country tomorrow in New Delhi.
Right, Zeenat, we will be looking out for that crucial meeting tomorrow between the Home Minister and Omar Abdullah. With that, we also now shift our focus. We are going